Every single minute, somewhere in the world, dozens of people are being told the words no one ever wants to hear: you have cancer. In 2024, this disease reached a record-breaking crisis, with more than 20 million new cases, and over 10 million deaths reported globally, making cancer responsible for nearly 1 in every 6 deaths on Earth. What's even more frightening is that experts warn these numbers are climbing faster than ever, fueled by poor diets, environmental toxins, chronic stress, and an aging population. Yet cancer doesn't appear overnight. Long before a diagnosis, silent changes are already happening inside the body. Damaged DNA, unchecked cell growth, and chronic inflammation quietly set the stage for disease, often for years. Whether those hidden threats turn into life-threatening tumors depends largely on the strength of your body's natural defense systems. Here's the hopeful truth: cutting-edge research now shows that certain everyday foods can powerfully reinforce those defenses, blocking cancer's ability to feed itself, slowing or stopping its growth, and even triggering diseased cells to self-destruct. And the most effective of these cancer-fighting foods aren't rare or expensive. They're simple, accessible ingredients you can start adding to your plate today to help protect yourself and the people you love. 1. Macadamia nuts. When researchers look at how certain natural compounds in plants, known as phytochemicals, affect the body, and then compare those effects to how some drugs act on the same pathways, the results can be eye-opening. In many cases, these plant-based compounds perform just as well, and sometimes even outperform medications. This insight has led many doctors to dive deeper into the concept of using food as medicine, exploring how what we eat can actively help the body heal, protect, and renew itself. In this video, we'll explore 7 everyday snacks that go far beyond satisfying a craving. Each one is packed with nutrients that may help regenerate stem cells, cut off the blood supply cancer cells rely on, and kickstart fat burning from within. Grounded in science, these are practical, flavorful options you can easily include in your routine. The snacks you choose aren't just filler between meals, they can be powerful tools for wellness. When rich in polyphenol, flavonoids, healthy fats, and fiber, they can help repair cells, block harmful growth processes, and energize your metabolism. Think of them as small, strategic boosts you can give your body throughout the day, simple actions with a big potential payoff. Research shows these compounds can trigger the death of damaged cells, slow or stop the growth of blood vessels that feed tumors, and activate processes that help burn visceral fat. Over the next few minutes, we'll reveal 7 accessible, delicious snacks that tap into nature's defenses to help you repair, protect, and thrive, one bite at a time. Before we begin, please remember, this information is for educational purposes only and isn't a substitute for professional medical advice. Always speak with a qualified healthcare provider about your health concerns, and never delay care because of something you've heard or read. 2. Pistachios. Many doctors emphasize the powerful role pistachios can play in supporting long-term health and reducing the risk of cancer. Far more than just a satisfying snack, pistachios are a concentrated source of nutrients that work on multiple levels to protect the body. Rich in dietary fiber, pistachios help nourish beneficial bacteria in the gut, building a healthy microbiome that strengthens immunity. A resilient gut ecosystem supports the body's ability to detect and destroy abnormal cells before they develop into tumors. This natural defense system is essential for keeping cancer at bay. Pistachios also provide quality plant protein to support cell repair and growth, along with healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that help calm chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer and many other diseases. By lowering inflammation, These healthy fats contribute to a more balanced internal environment where harmful cells struggle to thrive. They are also packed with antioxidants such as lutein and gamma-tocopherol. Lutein, a carotenoid, supports eye health while reducing inflammation, and gamma-tocopherol, a form of vitamin E, helps neutralize free radicals before they can damage cells. Antioxidants like these are critical in shielding DNA from oxidative stress, a major driver of cancer development. Finally, pistachios contain phytochemicals with potent anti-cancer properties. These compounds not only slow the growth of cancer cells but can also block angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow and spread. By interfering with this process, pistachios help cut off the supply lines that cancer depends on. Incorporating pistachios into your diet is a simple, flavorful step that may strengthen your body's natural defenses, reduce disease risk, and promote overall wellness. 3. Almonds. Many health experts highlight the impressive role almonds can play in protecting against cancer and promoting overall wellness. These nutrient-rich nuts are far more than a quick snack. They work on multiple levels to strengthen the body's defenses. Almonds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a balanced digestive system. This fiber nourishes beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping to create a healthy microbiome. A thriving gut ecosystem is closely tied to a stronger immune system, one that can detect and eliminate abnormal cells before they have the chance to develop into tumors. They are also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help reduce chronic inflammation. Since inflammation is a key factor in cancer growth and progression, keeping it low is vital for creating an environment where harmful cells struggle to survive. These healthy fats not only support cardiovascular health but also help protect against other inflammation-related diseases. Almonds are rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E. This powerful nutrient helps neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to DNA mutations and tumor formation. By safeguarding cellular integrity, antioxidants in almonds reduce the risk of cancer at its root cause. In addition, almonds contain phytochemicals, natural plant compounds with strong anti-cancer properties. These substances can slow cancer cell growth and block angiogenesis, the process by which tumors create new blood vessels to feed themselves. Without this blood supply, cancer cells are deprived of the nutrients they need to spread. Including almonds in your daily diet is a simple yet impactful choice. With every handful, you're not only enjoying their flavor and crunch, you're giving your body tools to repair, defend, and maintain long-term health. 4. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are another remarkable nut that can play a powerful role in cancer prevention and overall wellness. Known for their rich, slightly sweet flavor, hazelnuts are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and protect cells from the oxidative stress that can lead to DNA mutations and cancer development. One of the standout compounds in hazelnuts is proanthocyanidin, a potent plant-based antioxidant, shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and block angiogenesis, the process tumors use to build their blood supply. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2010, found that proanthocyanidins from tree nuts, including hazelnuts, significantly reduced angiogenesis in vitro, limiting nutrient flow to cancer cells. Hazelnuts are also rich in vitamin E, particularly alpha-tocopherol, which neutralizes free radicals and helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes. Epidemiological data support these findings. The European Prospective Investigation into Cancer and Nutrition (EPIC) study involving more than 500,000 participants across 10 European countries, reported that higher consumption of tree nuts, including hazelnuts, was associated with a 15 to 20% reduction in overall cancer mortality. Another study in the British Journal of Nutrition, 2015, showed that individuals consuming at least 30 grams of mixed nuts per day, with hazelnuts as a primary component, had a 13% lower risk of colorectal cancer compared to those who rarely ate nuts. Additionally, the combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in hazelnuts promotes satiety, aiding in weight management, an important factor in lowering cancer risk. Maintaining a healthy weight is strongly linked to reduced risk for at least 13 types of cancer, according to the World Cancer Research Fund. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are more than just a tasty snack, they are a powerful ally for your health, especially in the fight against cancer. Many doctors point to their ability to nourish the gut microbiome, strengthening immunity and improving the body's overall response to treatment. In fact, research on patients with stage 3 colon cancer undergoing standard therapy showed that adding nuts to their diet was associated with over a 50% reduction in mortality. These nutrient-dense nuts can be enjoyed raw, roasted, candied, or even pickled, and they are rich in beneficial compounds such as gallic acid, chlorogenic acid, and ellagic acid. Each of these has been linked to antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects. Studies have found that walnut consumption is connected to a lower risk of developing colon cancer, as well as improved survival rates for those already diagnosed. Laboratory research has revealed even more compelling evidence. In one study, scientists treated colon cancer stem cells grown from a patient with walnut extract. After just 2 days, the number of cancer stem cells dropped by 34%. By day 6, their growth had been reduced by an extraordinary 86%. This ability to suppress cancer stem cell activity may explain why patients who ate nuts regularly had a 57% lower risk of death and a 42% lower risk of the cancer returning. The benefits of walnuts extend far beyond cancer prevention. They are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function and help lower inflammation throughout the body. They also provide protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are vital for immune health, heart function, and overall well-being. Additionally, the combination of healthy fats, plant protein, and fiber in walnuts can promote satiety, aiding in appetite control and supporting weight management. This makes them not only a protective food for long-term health but also a valuable part of a balanced diet for those aiming to maintain a healthy metabolism. Incorporating walnuts into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards strengthening your body's defenses, reducing disease risk, and supporting overall vitality. 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are packed with a remarkable concentration of nutrients and cancer-protective compounds. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, chia seeds help reduce chronic inflammation, a key driver in the development and progression of cancer. Multiple studies have shown that higher dietary intake of ALA is associated with a lower risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Chia seeds are also an abundant source of dietary fiber, which supports a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced microbiome strengthens the immune system's ability to identify and destroy abnormal cells before they can form tumors. In addition to healthy fats and fiber, chia seeds contain plant lignans, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid, potent antioxidants and polyphenol with anti-angiogenic properties that inhibit the growth of new blood vessels feeding cancer cells. These bioactives also protect DNA from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of mutations that could lead to cancer. Their high protein content, along with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, supports overall cellular health, making them an excellent food for both cancer prevention and recovery. When soaked in water or plant-based milk, chia seeds form a gel-like texture, making them easy to incorporate into smoothies, puddings, or breakfast bowls. Just 2 tablespoons a day can provide a significant boost to your anti-cancer nutritional defenses, while offering a versatile and satisfying addition to your meals. Cancer may be one of the most formidable challenges of our time, but science is proving that we are not powerless against it. Every small choice you make at the table, every handful of nutrient-rich nuts, every serving of cancer-fighting foods, can strengthen your body's natural defenses and tip the balance toward health. The power to protect yourself doesn't come from expensive treatments alone. It begins with what you do daily, and it's never too late to start. If this video has given you valuable knowledge and a renewed sense of control over your health, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your family and friends so they, too, can benefit. And remember, we're here to guide you with science-backed strategies for living longer, stronger, and healthier. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our community so you never miss the next life-saving insight we share. Your journey to a healthier future starts right here, right now.